Welcome beautiful people, I am Chef B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we're about to do an install for OMGHerHair.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package. Now this right here, the flyaway tamer, I use on every single wig. Okay, like this is a necessity. So the hair that we'll be working with today is their Silky Straight 360 wig, and I just want you guys to look at this lace. Look at the quality of this lace straight out of the package. Now this is the back of the wig that I'm showing you. This is not the front, this is the back and the side. So you can do a ponytail with this, a half up half down. Like, I am loving the 360. And also it comes with the adjustable straps on the inside, and you see that grip, that griddedy grip thing on the side. Yes, this is to tighten the wig, so you could actually wear it glueless in the front if you wish to. Like, this wig came with so many little technicalities that is just like, okay, this is the revolution of wigs, because this lace, I am obsessed. Now look how flat this hair is straight out of the package. Like, I haven't done anything as yet. I'm just adding the flyaway tamer on it because I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. So even though it's flat, I need it to be flatter, okay? Because if you have a head shape like mine, it's a little bit P, so it's a little bit higher up in the middle. So I have to make sure that I get that extra flatness with my wig. And look at the difference with the sides. Like, there is really barely a visible difference between the side that I did one time before I went to the other side. Like, it's just giving. So I'm just spraying a little bit, like a very little amount of this wig oil before I flat iron the hair. And I'm a lazy girl. If you're new here, girl, we don't do the ball cap method. We just slap on a regular wig cap, put some makeup on it, and keep it pushing and keep it moving, okay? Because I can't be bothered with the technicalities. I like to do my stuff very quickly and beginner friendly. So that's what you're gonna get on this channel. So I adjust the band of the inside of the wig, and then I just flip that baby over, and look how nicely it is laying in the front. Now don't mind my little wig cap in the middle. We're gonna touch that up and fix it in a second. So just ignore the lining that you're seeing, but just focus on the brilliance of this lace. It's just phenomenal. So we're gonna go in with the 𝐒𝐵IN spray. I don't like to use harsh glue on my hair lining because I like to take off my wigs at night, so I don't mind it being a little easier to go on and come off. I don't want anything pulling on my roots. You know when you take your wig off and you see that obvious lining? Like, I don't need none of that with no glues ripping out my hair front, okay? So we like to make sure that our hair front is still intact, so we're going to use the 𝐒𝐵IN and keep it moving. So once that is tacked down with my blow dryer, just put it on there for a couple of seconds until I'm satisfied with it being dry. And then I'm just going to take my scissors. So with the scissors, what you're going to do is, instead of cutting it straight across, you want to do like a zigzaggedy motion. You never want it to be too straight because it's going to be obvious. Now once that's all removed, I'm just going to spray some 𝐒𝐵IN on my fingertips and just dab it on the areas that are lifted, or if they're obvious. Now you can see the lace when you cut the lace, the excess lace off. So you put the 𝐒𝐵IN and it's melted instantly. Then I'm just going to touch up the hair and flat iron in areas. And this hair was super easy to install because everything was done for me straight out of the package. Now once I remove the headband, the elastic band for the tension method, that lace is melted. It is giving a fresh silk press, and just obsessed with this lace. Now I'm a little bit anal about the lace frontal, and I was going to a brand event, and I was a little bit concerned because the lighting looked natural, but I was like, I don't want to go to this event and the photographers, they're probably not used to photographing black girls. So it's like I don't want too much flashback on this wig, so I decided to go in and do a little soup to the dupe action. I honestly didn't even need it afterwards when I took some pictures. I'm like, girl, I was just a little scaredy cat. I just didn't want it to look obvious. So I was trying to make sure that I worked that lace in. I put some of my bronzing powder on the lace itself. And then what we're going to do is put some bronzing powder or any type of foundation powder that you have on the parting of the wig. And then you go in with your mascara, or if you have anything that you could use to darken the sides, just make sure it's all uniform. And that is it for the wig install. Super easy. Loving the lace. It's my favorite part. The 360, absolutely bomb. This is a premium type of wig. Everyday wig, perfect for the fall. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box for you down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on all social media platforms at damn that's Chev, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.